Okay, in this video we are going to go over setting up a new company profile inside the Partner Control Center. And if you've just logged in, you'll want to of course come over and click on Profile Builder here, and this will bring you to the step one here. One note I'll make, a couple notes actually I'll make on this page before we even get started filling it out is, in some cases you may want to pre-build a profile before you go out in the field and maybe see someone. Just show them that they're already in the app. And if that's the case, you may not have their contact information or the correct email address to put in here. If that's the case, just select I don't have an email address. Our system will generate a temporary one. This will allow their profile to get into the app, and later you can go back and edit it once you've spoke with them and put in their actual contact info. Second thing is, make sure that right here when you're assigning it, you do assign it to the correct land. Some of you may only see one land that you're assigned to. Some of you may actually be able to see multiple groups or lands, and in that case it's really important that you actually select the correct land that you're going to be putting businesses into. So I'm going to place this one in the Clear Lake Bay Area, and we'll just get started filling this out. So I've got one that I've kind of started here, so we're going to put our company name in here, the name of the owner of the business, their address. In this case, I'm going to say we do have the email address, so I'm going to just put this in here as company123@localproject. We're going to enter the phone number here, temporary. We want to put in their web address there, and we've got our land selected here. Also, from time to time, there are codes that you can use. You want to speak with your manager on that. We do have occasionally a code that will allow a business to get a discount on their monthly rate, or get a month free, or just different things like that. Different promotions we run at different times, so just check with your manager on that if there are any current activation codes you can use. And then you're just going to click Next. Now this is going to bring you over to what are they buying and the payment method. So are they a free business, a nonprofit? Are they signing up for the bronze or silver package? Right now I'm going to select them here as a platinum member, and we're going to go down and fill out the banking information. We can either do bank account or we can do credit card, so you can do either or. In this case, I'm going to use the bank account as an example because I've got a couple test numbers we can use here. And we're going to put Jim Smith in there. And just make sure that the authorization signature is there. And you do have to select the terms of service here. And click Next. Now we're getting into actually building out the information for this business. Company information, there's two different spots for a description on the profile. One is, you'll notice when you're looking at any of the business profiles, this is a very short description. This goes right under their profile pic at the top. Then the long description, you can then get into really a lot more detail about their business, is shown further into the profile. So I'm just going to, just for sake, put this is a test right now, and we're going to put that in both places. And then we're going to come down and you can do their hours of business. So if they are, say, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and now if they're open same hours each day, I can just click copy to all days. That'll copy it to everyone, make my job a little easier. They're closed on Sunday, so we're going to go ahead and edit that. And we've got our hours set. This here, what different payment methods do they accept in their store? They take all of the normal credit card info, and of course cash. Some people will accept checks, some won't. So just select whatever their accepted payment types are. And now you're going to want to have the addresses to all of their URLs for their different social media. So if they're on Twitter, they're on Google or Facebook or any of them, just make sure you put in the full address of their profiles, and these will actually be linked in the profile back out to their other social media. Once you've completed that, again, just click Next. Now you're going to select a category for the business. If you would have chosen just a free profile, then you'd only be seeing one category selection here. All the paid folks get to select two different categories. So We're going to set this one in auto and marine, and we'll put them in new truck dealers, auto truck dealers. And we'll also put the second one in auto and marine, and we will put this one under used. So this company both sells new and used vehicles. Now you're going to go to profile images and their logo. This here, you could just upload any file from your computer. Just click the thing there to browse. I'm going to go over here. I've got some images we can use here, sample images. For your profile image, you want a 16:9 resolution. So recommended is 1024 by 576 pixels for that. And on the logo, you really want a perfect square. So, you know, we recommend 400 by 400 pixels. It could be 300 by 300. It could be 500 by 500. But you don't really want to go much smaller than that. Otherwise, you're risking some quality issues on there. So these could be JPEG files. It can be GIF. It can be a PNG file. So your typical image files is what you're going to use there. And just click next, and now that will upload the images. And next is photos. There's a section within the profile that allows them to show photos of their business. And here you can basically choose files. You can upload up to 10 at a time. Again, you just browse your computer. I've got 5 of them right here we'll use for an example. We'll click open on that, and then just click the upload button here. And just give it a second while it uploads the files. Once it's done, it's going to refresh. It's going to show you that the files are there. And if you don't like one, you can delete it. You can upload some different ones. But once you've got your photos uploaded, again, just click next here at the bottom. Last is if they want to create an offer or have an offer, we really recommend that all the profiles out there, when applicable, you get some offers in there. So we're going to add a coupon here. We're going to put buy one, get one 50% off, or maybe that's not good if they were really automotive. How about $19 oil change? And we'll put in a description here. Normally $39, save 50%. You can set an expiration date if you like, or you can leave it blank, and that just means that it will not expire at any time. You definitely should upload an image with that. Again, we recommend a square image just like the logo. I'm just going to use that for now as an example, but a square image, again, 400 by 400 JPEG, GIF, or a PNG file. If this is an actual coupon that they've got that works with their internal software for processing payments, then they may have a QR code or a barcode that's on maybe a printed coupon that going out in a circular or something. If that's the case, you can get that scanned in. You can upload that as well so that that's there actually with the offer inside the app. Then just click Add Coupon. Our coupon's been created here, and we can add another one if we want to, or we can just move on. We click Next, and then it's going to show you a preview of the profile that you just built. And once you're done, just scroll down to the bottom and click the Submit button. This is going to actually publish the company. This company is now live inside the app, and you're ready to go ahead and add another profile at any time. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Be sure to check out some of our other videos.